Ever felt like your financial life is a tangled mess of acronyms and jargon? You're not alone. It's easy to feel lost when everyone is throwing around terms like APR, CD, and IRA. But what if I told you that understanding money doesn't have to be a headache? Think of it like learning a new language. You don't start with a dictionary, you start with a conversation. And that's exactly what we're doing today, thanks to a fantastic resource called Conversationally from Ally. This isn't your typical dry finance blog. It's a place where complex topics are broken down into simple, easy-to-digest conversations. So, let's dive into some of the conversational gems they offer. Let's say you're trying to figure out how to save for a big purchase, like a car. You could read a dense article about high-yield savings accounts, or you could read Conversationally and see a simple Q&A that explains why a high-yield account is your best friend for short-term goals. They explain the why behind the what, which is crucial. Or maybe you're a recent graduate looking to start investing. Instead of a deep dive into the stock market, you can find a post that talks you through the basics, answering questions like what's the difference between a stock and a bond, in a way that feels like you're talking to a friend. The beauty of it is that it's all about context. They don't just give you a definition, they give you a real-world scenario. This approach makes financial literacy feel less like a chore and more like an ongoing discussion. It's about building confidence, not just knowledge. So whether you're wondering how to budget, what a credit score really means, or the best way to tackle student loans, Ally's Conversationally blog is a great place to start. It's a reminder that a little bit of knowledge, presented in the right way, can make a huge difference in your financial journey. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.